Cheering for the unborn in Denver, Colorado, pro-lifers gathered at the state capitol with their voices united to support our most vulnerable. Signs saying, "Love them both," and to support mothers with care and compassion were held by young advocates of the movement. In Munich, Germany, pro-life activists also walked for our most vulnerable. At some points, they did face verbal and even physical attacks from protesters. There were even efforts to block the power supply to the stage, but public utilities quickly fixed it. It didn't stop men, women, and children from celebrating the gift of life and defending the voiceless. 50,000 people took part in a March for Life in Poland. Flooding the streets of Warsaw on April 14th, they raised their voices against legislative proposals that would allow abortion until the 12th week of pregnancy. A touching moment of the march was when the sound of a heartbeat of an unborn child played over loudspeakers. And in Mexico City, thousands are expected to take part in a march on April 27th. The motto, "Without life, there is no future," organized by the Steps for Life movement. This year, the march will also collect donations like baby food, diapers, and financial support to help vulnerable women.